Hey, this is Jim at Broadfield. Thanks for joining us for another Broadfield Liquid Lunch and Learn. February 1st, you know what that means. This month's news, specials, and promotions. And I've got some great ones to go over with you today. Before we get into the show, as we give all our dealers a chance to join us, I have a nice New England IPA from upstate New York, Beacon, New York, Industrial Arts Brewing. They have a great series of IPAs. This is their Power Tools, which comes in, I think, at about 7.1% ABV. So, cheers. Excellent. If you're in Beacon, New York, go check out Industrial Arts. Really cool place, really cool vibe. Obviously going with that whole industrial flow there. And this is their Power Tools IPA. So we have a ton of specials, ton of new products, some shipping updates, lots of stuff to talk to you about. Our vendors are in the industry getting geared up already for NAB. NAB 2024 is going to be a great show. If you haven't made your travel plans yet, do that now. For those of you who are interested, like Dan is on our purchasing team, definitely check out the Sphere, where Fish is going to be playing right after NAB. And we just found out today that Dead & Company is going to be there during InfoCon. So we got some great reasons to head to Vegas this year. And over in Europe, right now in Barcelona, is the ISE show, which is really coming out with a lot of news from our industry, and the first piece of a new product announcement that I want to talk about today, and that is the Epiphan Pearl Nexus. Epiphan has taken their Pearl Mini device and integrated it into a rack-mountable unit without a touchscreen that can be mounted in schools or corporate AV labs into a lectern like this one in front of me right now. The Epiphan Pearl Nexus is just $29.99 MSRP. It's available now for all of your project quotes and is expected to ship in May. They wanted to make sure that they got the information on this exciting new product out there because Epiphan is seeing this as a campus-wide install. There's going to be a long tail sale, and you can start quoting it into your projects now to take advantage of everything that the Pearl Nexus offers and the gateway into the Epiphan cloud ecosystem, which now offers scheduling and automatic recording and live streaming with any Pearl system. You can get all of those through Epiphan Cloud, and more features are constantly being added through firmware updates, cloud updates, and more. We have some specials to talk about from YoloLiv, with the YoloBox Ultra available at $14.99 now through the end of February. The YoloBox Pro at under $1,000. A $1,000 full multi-camera production system, all in one touchscreen, streaming device, all built into one. And for those of you who are following the Yolo products, you'll know that the YoloBox Ultra now has NDI capability and a wireless app that you can install now on your phone to duplicate some of those capabilities that Sling Studio were popular for many years ago. So if you have customers in the live production space looking to replace their Sling Studio system, an upgrade to the YoloBox Ultra is definitely in line. And for your customers who are social media influencers, the YOLO Max gives you the vertical video in a huge full screen tablet that they can use almost like a mirror in front of them as they produce this stream. The YOLO Max has become very popular in e-commerce applications, social media influencers, and even those get ready with me videos that are so popular, or the makeup tutorials and other stuff like that that people are making quite the living on vehicles like Instagram and TikTok. BirdDog has some exciting new bundles, and I am happy to share that the Netgear bundle is in stock and available now at Broadfield. This BirdDog bundle includes 3 of the P240 cameras and a Netgear M4250 switch that was picked to give you the PoE Plus capability to drive this multi-camera system and more. It is the GSM 4212 UX100 NAS switch, an $11.99 value, and this complete bundle comes in at under $9,000. Unbelievable value, unbelievable bundle, in stock now at Broadfield. BirdDog also announced another bundle with the same P240 cameras with the Starhose controller. This is the Starhose PTZ Pro controller with Blue Pill inside. Their upgraded controller with that blue Pill capability. This bundle comes in at just under $10,000, and we're being told it'll be shipping from BirdDog overseas sometime later on this week, available in Broadfield shortly. Red announced a brand new camera, the V-Raptor X and the V-Raptor XL X. The X version is the world's first large format global shutter camera. These cameras are available for order now. The V-Raptor X at $29,995. The V-Raptor X starter pack at $34,250. And then you have the V-Raptor X XL at $44,995, or the production pack at $54,995, giving your customers everything they need to get that large format global shutter cameras with this new format from the Red Brains. And I just spoke to OWC, and they're happy to announce that their OWC Atlas Ultra cards, 1 terabyte and 2 terabyte CF Express 4.0, are red approved for these new cameras. That is, the V-Raptor X and the V-Raptor X XL are compatible and approved with the OWC Atlas Ultra 1 terabyte and 2 terabyte cards, all in stock now at Broadfield. While we're talking about the OWC memory cards, I want to remind you that the memory card promotion is still available here at Broadfield on the Komodo or Komodo Edge cameras. For every Komodo brain you sell, we will give you a SanDisk Extreme Pro compact flash card, CFast card. CFast card with the Komodo from SanDisk Extreme. That is a 256 gigabyte card. With the Komodo X, which requires a CF Express card, we've gone with the OWC Atlas card, a 325 gigabyte, again, red approved for the Komodo X. OWC has put together a nice reseller incentive program. And the way this program is going to work is they're going to allow you to take a one-time discount on your best purchase order between now and the end of the month. So there's a great way to go. There are multiple ways to go about this. You can place a large PO stocking order now, turn up your marketing engines, and run through that inventory. Or if you're just getting started with OWC, as we are here, you can place a small order, sample some of the products, find the products that sell, and then before the end of the month, work with your Broadfield sales team to put a large stocking PO in. The way the incentive works is if on that PO, you have $5,000 in OWC products, you will get an additional 1.5 margin. $15,000 in OWC products, you'll add another point on top of that for a total of 2.5 points of additional margin. $30,000 or more in OWC products, and you are going to get another 1.5 points, bringing you to a total of 4% additional margin on that entire purchase order. This is a great incentive to stock up and to support OWC, hard drives, SSD drives, RAIDs, and even memory cards for all of your ongoing sales. ATOMOS, the Ninja and Ninja Ultra with ATOMOS Connect bundles are still available here at Broadfield through February 28th. With these bundles, we are also including a free 5-inch accessory kit. I also want to let you know that we have the ATOMOS Shogun Connect still in stock. Now, the Shogun Connect is the previous generation of the 7-inch monitor recorder and playback device. The Shogun Connect was replaced by the Shogun and the Shogun Ultra. The Shogun Ultra is the exact same hardware as the Shogun Connect. The Shogun Connect can be upgraded with a simple firmware upgrade to be a Shogun Ultra and give you all of the Shogun Ultra features and capabilities. The closeout pricing means you can share with your customers the Shogun Connect at just $849. Take advantage of the free upgrade to everything the Shogun Ultra offers, and that's a pretty significant discount to get a Shogun Ultra in their hands. This offer is only available while supplies last here at Broadfield. So if you're interested in sharing this with your customers, reach out to your Broadfield sales rep today. And then ATOMOS also extended their ATOMOS Sumo with the free Zato and Z mount. And this bundle goes through February 28th. Next, I want to move on to a brand new special offer that we put together with Pixellot on the Pixellot Air camera. The Pixellot Air camera is their live sports production capture and analysis device. The Pixellot Air does not have live streaming included in it. It'll capture the action. It'll allow your customers to upload that action to PixellotU and then to analyze for sports like basketball, hockey, field hockey, or anything else that might be in season. The Pixellot Air camera is available now with a free 3-month subscription to the PixellotU subscription. That subscription is what allows them to upload from the camera and get the analysis tools. That's $130 a month value, almost a $400 total value when your customers buy Pixellot Air today. And it's super easy. There's nothing that you need to do. You sell the Pixellot Air camera. We have a special landing page set up with Pixellot. Your customers register on that landing page. They start their 3-month subscription for free. At the end of the 3 months, they're renewed automatically for $130 a month directly with Pixellot themselves. Kiloview has launched their new link deck product. Now, if you've seen the link deck in trade shows in the past, you'll know that there are 5 components that make up the link deck. There's a panel, which is the surface that you see here with the touchscreen. There is a take panel, there is a zoom panel, and there's a PTZ control panel. And then the 5th component is their KISS panel, which is their intercom system. That 5th panel operates in connection with these other devices or as a standalone unit. That is the only one of the 5 components that is not yet available to ship. So while we wait for the intercom system panel to be shipping, we're shipping a bundle with the 4 products that are currently available today. And this is what we're referring to internally as the Link Deck 4. The Link Deck 4 is the panel deck, tape deck, zoom deck, and PTZ deck, all a complete solution from Kiloview, getting them into that Link Deck series. Now, this product is shipping from China now, is going to be available here in Broadfield shortly. We have new images that show these 4 panels together, and we are putting together all of the support materials to help you educate your customers and get this product launched today. I also want to tell you that we have the Cube R1 in stock. This has been one of the hottest products from Kiloview, offering you a 9-channel HD NDI recording solution, or 4 channels in 4K resolution. The Kiloview Cube R1 is available and in stock now for just $24.99, and we have a special bundle kit that includes the 1 terabyte SSD storage kit from Kiloview at $27.28. Your customers can also buy the SSD storage a la carte with the 1 terabyte kit at $229 or the 2 terabyte kit at $419. These SSD drives are optimized and made by Kiloview to support the Cube R1, allowing your customers to get up to 9 channels of recording for their NDI sources. The Vizrt TriTaster Mini Go is in stock, selling at just $49.95. I was happy to have Ed on the show recently introducing the new products and the new dealer programs from Vizrt. We're working very closely with the new team at Vizrt and willing to support the entire dealer channel and keep everything moving in a great direction. The TriTaster Flex Dual is their next level flex control panel, selling at $15,495, giving you a 2-stripe powerhouse on that flex control panel that was so popular. And then the LiveU Go. For our customers who are working with sports production, you can easily get certified and set up to sell the LiveU Go from Vizrt. It is a quick half-hour training class and certification, and Vizrt will now authorize you to sell the LiveU Go to all your sports production customers, giving you sports broadcasts from any 3 sports at any time. And then I want to remind you that we have the TriTaster Mini Advanced SDI bundle still with 3 in stock available at a closeout. Next, let's shift to Panasonic and their brand new compact live IP switcher with streaming built in. The AV-HSW10PJ is available at just $59.95. This is a really nice 4 SDI, 2 HDMI switcher, also giving you NDI, NDIHX, SRT capabilities. A really powerful switcher in a compact hardware push-button device with a T-bar control. Super easy production tool, really recommended for a lot of different applications, especially house of worship. Panasonic also has a UE160 bundle where you can take 3 UE160s and get the RP150 flagship controller free. At $44,985, this bundle is available through March 31st. Plus, there's added VLREG discounts and a dealer spiff available. PTZOptics also has a bundle solution available on the Move SE cameras with the PT Joy joystick controller at $37.45, or the Move 4K cameras with the Super Joy, my favorite joystick controller, at $65.45. Broadfield is your source for Facilis. The Facilis Hub is a great shared storage and media asset management solution for all of your post-production houses. We were joined recently on our webinar with Jim McKenna from Facilis, talking a lot about the dealer programs and about the products available from Facilis today. Go check out that video to learn more and reach out to your Broadfield sales rep for updated price sheets and more information to start building your next quote. We met with the team from Advanced Image Robotics last week, and they're really excited about the Air 1 Charter Kit and starting to see that deployed in a lot of really unique and interesting applications. If you haven't taken advantage of their charter program, I recommend you contact your Broadfield sales rep and take advantage of these charter kits today. The 20% off MSRP is only going to be available while the current generation charter kits are left in stock and available now at Broadfield. They're already working on the second generation charter kit and then going to mass production on this exciting robotic device. SanDisk Professional has a special bundle offer available where if you purchase or sell a G-Drive project or a G-RAID mirror to any of your customers with 2 ProBlade SSD mags, we will add the transport for free. We're running this bundle offer through Q1, so if you want to take advantage and offer a complete professional storage ecosystem to your customers with that ProBlade SSD mags, you should take advantage of additional savings today. The LiveU Solo is still available and in stock while supplies last. It includes a free 2-modem connection kit with the LiveU Solo HDMI at $795 or SDI at $1295. We also have the LiveU Solo Pros and the Solo Pro Connect kits in stock and available now for your customers who are looking to migrate to 4K or prepare for 5G streaming. The Solo Pro is the way to go today. Telestream has switched to a subscription model on Wirecast Studio and Wirecast Pro. Your customers who have Wirecast licenses today can renew those licenses with Wirecast support, and they can continue to benefit from everything that Wirecast has to offer. New customers can select from either the Wirecast Studio subscription for just $299 a year or Wirecast Pro for just $399 a year, giving them all that capability with multi-camera, remote guests, ISO recording, and more. Telestream also has their special on the Wirecast Gear systems while supplies last. Your choice, HDMI or SDI. 4K professional live streaming switching solutions optimized and built with Wirecast Pro for just $55.95. Canon introduced some new products last month. These are in stock and shipping now. The CRN 100 20X NDIHX PTZ camera, which is the CRN 300 camera without the SDI connection, but coming in at a great price of under $2,000 map. And then a new flagship PTZ controller, the RC IP1000. Control up to 200 PTZ cameras over IP and coming in at just $49.99. The great thing about this controller is in addition to all the traditional PTZ camera control protocols, it also supports the Canon HD protocol, allowing you to get control of not only their PTZ cameras, but their camcorders, mirrorless, and cinema cameras with the HC control capability. We have a great special on the Glyph Atom SSD drives. This is an overstock special here in New York and California at just $139.95 for a super compact 1 terabyte SSD. JVC has a bundle special by the KM IP Studio Switcher with an LP350G control surface, and you get the KYPZ200N NDI PTZ camera free. This bundle is in stock and available now. They also have bundles with free controllers. 3 PZ510s, you get the LP100U controller free, and that bundle comes in at $8,097. If you're a JVC dealer, you can start that quote process with your Broadfield sales team today. Give us a call at 800-634-5178, and we'll be happy to help you make sure you take advantage of all the bundle specials available from JVC. We're also working with Iodine Pro Data Solutions, a media storage Thunderbolt solution built for the media and entertainment industry. The Iodine Pro Data is the world's fastest Thunderbolt RAID, and its form factor isn't much more than the bottom of a MacBook or any other laptop solution. It gives you 12 lightning-fast NVMe SSD drives, a PCI Express, Thunderbolt ports, and more. A system-on-a-chip technology allowing you to meet even the most demanding media and entertainment needs. If you're selling to the M&E industry, reach out to your Broadfield sales rep today. Let's get you a demo and an introduction to the Iodine team. Mike Giddig is super helpful in making sure that we're finding the partners that are going to be successful with this product line. If you have any questions on any of the products, promotions, new products, or specials we talked about today, reach out to your Broadfield sales team at 800-634-5178, or reach out to me directly at jim@broadfield.com. I'd be happy to get you more information, data sheets, price sheets, you name it. Broadfield is here to help. You'll like doing business with Broadfield because we make it easy to do business. Until next week, cheers.
Broadfield Distributing is a value-added distributor of live production, streaming, video editing, and storage products. We only sell to resellers. We are always looking for new dealers, so call us at 1-800-634-5178 or email sales@broadfield.com. You'll like doing business with Broadfield because we make it easy to do business.